Okay, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, can you introduce yourself?
Yes, I'm Nelba Balusa, 31 years old, living in Marikina City, Philippines. I am fifth in the family with 2 brothers and 3 sisters. My parents are Gregorio Balunsay and Genoveva Balunsay, but now they are both died.
Who died?
Sir?
Who died?
Both, sir. Both my parents.
Okay, any experience as a housemaid abroad?
Yeah, I have work experience abroad in Dubai, UAE.
Okay, how long?
I worked there for one year and 2 months.
Why not 2 years finish contract?
And because they need to go home in Canada, that's the reason why they need also to send me here.
Okay, how many members in the house?
They are 4 members, 2 adults and 2 babies.
The babies, how old?
They are 3 years old and 5 months old.
3 years and 5 months. Okay, how do you know the baby is sick?
Mostly their temperature is high, and sometimes, of course, baby doesn't know how to speak. Say, the first is they are crying, not feeling well.
Okay, when you learn that the baby got sick, what you will do?
First, know the temperature, and then give him or her a medicine.
Okay. When you did something wrong or someone stay in the house, then angry with you, what you will do?
Ask your employer if you broke something in their house.
Okay. You know how to cook, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In case you are cooking in the kitchen, suddenly your mom want you to go outside to buy something, what you will do?
First, turn off the flame of the gas and then follow the madam.
Yes. Okay. In case you go in Hong Kong, how can you solve your homesick?
For me, homesick is not. Homesick. It's not problem homesick to me.
Okay, you can cook very well?
Yes, sir.
You are a good cook?
Not really. A little bit, sir.
Okay, how can you maintain the good relationships with your employer?
Just follow the instruction, follow the rules and regulations in the house. Do your job very well.
Yes, sir. Okay, any message to your future employer?
Hi, Madam, Sir. I'm Nelba Balunsay. I'm applying a domestic helper in your house. If you employ me, I promise to you I'll do my best. My duties, my job, I'll do it very good, and I promise you won't regret if you employ me.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.